Hi everyone, welcome back to Teen Talk, the podcast where we dive deep into the issues that matter most to teens. I'm Nurul Aini and I'm Rizky Lestari. We are excited to be here with you all. Today, we are talking about a very important topic of mental health. Mental health is something that affects all of us, but it's not easy to talk about, especially for teens. That's true. School, friendship, and family issues, it can be overwhelming. To help us to dig deeper into the topic, we have invited four amazing guests. They are Aulia, Rani, Naval, and Faiz. Welcome to the show, everyone. Hi. First, let the all guests tell us about themselves and their thoughts about teen mental health.
Hi everyone, I'm Aulia, and I believe that we should care about mental health.
Hi, I'm Rani. I think mental health is a serious problem faced by teenagers today.
Hey everyone, I am Faiz. I think we're not to spread the stitch around mental health to please.
Hi, I'm Naval. I think mental health is like roller coaster for teenagers.
Well, this is a very good start in the day. It's like our guests already know about mental health is.
Before we start the conversation, how about we hear first about mental health?
Let's everyone watch the video on the board.
You can't tell how someone feels just by looking at them or what they share online. To the outside world, our lives may look perfect, even if in reality they aren't. I'm always worrying about doing well at school, and with the end of year test coming up, I'm not sure how much longer I can cope. My thoughts swarm around my head, sometimes keeping me up all night. Some days it's just all too much, and I feel like I'm lost in space. When I did badly on one of my tests, I just about kept it together until I got home. Then I broke down crying in front of my mum. She listened for a bit, and then she told me that, just like physical health, we all have mental health. It's our feelings, our thinking, our emotions, and our moods. She then said that feeling down, angry, and stressed is a normal part of life, just like it's normal to feel happy, confident, and carefree sometimes. We all have positive and negative emotions that come and go based on what's happening around us. These are everyday feelings. Good mental health means experiencing negative emotions. It's not always about being happy. Mum can relate to the feelings of stress. So when Mum suggested I take a break from everything and do something I enjoy, I actually took her advice. So I made myself a hot chocolate, snuggled up in a duvet and watched a film. And you know what? Afterwards I felt so much better. Mum should take her own advice.
Okay, let's start with you, Aulia. When it comes to mental health, what do you think is the biggest challenge for teens?
I think the biggest challenge is stigma. People don't take mental health seriously, especially with teens. They think we're just being dramatic.
Oh, that's such an important point. Do you think that stop teens from opening up about their feelings?
Absolutely, many teens are scared of being judged or misunderstood. They end up holding everything inside, which makes things worse.
Rani, do you agree?
Yes, I do. It hard to admit your are struggle when you feel like no one will listen.
What about schools, Rani? Do you think they provide enough support for mental health?
They are trying, but it's not enough. For example, most schools have counselors but how many students actually feel comfortable going to gym?
That's true. What would you suggest to make it better?
I think school should organize workshop or session about mental health.
That's a great idea. Then, Naval, how do you think school pressures affect teens' mental health?
It's enough. There's so much academic pressure and auto health. Sometimes it feels like you're juggling too much.
Do you think this pressure is coming more from school or from families?
Both of them, of course.
Next, Faiz, what do you think about the pressure teens face?
I think it is really hard, especially when popular expect you to perform all the time.
What one thing teens can do to deal with this pressure?
Just don't compare yourself to others.
That's solid advice. Now, let's talk about how we can support each other. Hey Aulia, how can friends help someone who's struggling?
The most important thing is to listen. Sometimes people don't need advice, they just need to be heard.
That's true. Rani, do you think it's helpful to share our own experience when a friend opens up?
Yes, but careful. You don't wait to make it about yourself. Just showing that you understand can make a hug different.
Aulia, have you ever helped a friend with their mental health?
Yes, a close friend of mine was really stressed about school. I just stayed with her to make her comfy.
That's really kind. Faiz, what would you say to a friend who's struggling but does not want to talk?
It reminds them that it is okay to ask for help.
As a teenager, we certainly need something that be a place to feel better. How do you manage your stress or emotion, Aulia? For me, journaling helps a lot. Writing down my thoughts clear my mind and helps me understand what I'm feeling.
That's great. Do you write every day?
Not every day, but whenever I feel overwhelmed, it's like talking to myself without judgment.
That sounds helpful. How about you, Rani?
I like spending time with my family, even just talking about random things make me feel better.
Do you think it's important to stay connected with family?
Absolutely, they are my biggest support system.
Faiz, what's your go-to method for staying mentally healthy?
Definitely playing game. This makes me free, happy, and free from problem.
Maybe that's what boys think.
I think so too. Then, Naval, what do you do to take care of your mental health?
I disconnect from my phone and spend time alone. Sometimes I just need quiet to recharge.
That's great. It's important to know when to take a break.
Yes, and it helped me think more clearly.
Now, let's hear some advice for teens who might be struggling with their mental health. To all kids, what would you say to them?
Don't be afraid to tell someone you trust. It's called be afraid, a parent, or even a teacher. Keeping things inside will only make it harder.
Remember that it's okay to feel down sometimes. Don't pressure yourself to always be happy.
Find something you love doing. Having an outlet makes a big difference.
It's okay to not be okay for everyone.
To all our listeners, we hope this conversation inspires you to prioritize your mental health. Remember, you're not alone. Reach out if you need help and support the people around you. Take time to understand your emotions and don't forget to take a break when you need them. Thank you, Aulia, Rani, Faiz, and Noval, for being here and sharing your stories.
That's all for today's episode. That's all for today's episode of Teen Talks. See you next time. Bye. That's all for today's episode of Teen Talks. See you next time. Bye. Okay. Okay, easy.
Yes.